Hi everyone. This lesson is Hotel English for Beginners. You'll learn how to book a room, check in, ask for things, solve common problems, and check out with useful phrases you can use right away. I'll speak at a clear pace. Repeat after me when I pause. Part 1. Quick vocab and phrases. First, some short words and phrases you'll hear at the hotel. I'll say each word, then pause for you to repeat. Reservation. I have a reservation. Front desk, reception. Please go to the front desk. Check in, check out. Check-in time is 3 p.m. ID, passport. May I see your passport? Key, card, room card. Here is your room card. Room service. Call room service for dinner. Complaints. Problem. There is a problem with my room. Part 2. Check-in dialogue. Now a full check-in conversation. First, just listen, then I'll repeat key phrases, and you can practice. Good afternoon. Welcome to the Grand Lake Hotel. How can I help you? Hi, I have a reservation. The name is Anna Sinclair. Let me check. Yes, I see your booking. You have a standard double room for 3 nights. May I see your passport and a credit card? Sure. Here they are. Thank you. Will you need help with your luggage? No, thank you. I can manage. Great. Here is your room key. Room 512 on the 5th floor. Checkout is at 12 p.m. If you need anything, dial 0 from your room phone. Enjoy your stay. Thank you very much. Now repeat after me, line by line. Hi, I have a reservation. The name is Anna Sinclair. Sure. Here they are. No, thank you. I can manage. Thank you very much. Part 3. Asking for information. Useful questions you might ask at the front desk. I'll say the question, then pause. What time is check-in? What time is checkout? Is breakfast included? Do you have free Wi-Fi? Where is the gym? Is there a taxi service? Example short dialogue. Ask about breakfast. Excuse me, is breakfast included with my room? Yes. Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 a.m. in the dining room on the 1st floor. Thank you. Let's repeat this guest's line. Excuse me, is breakfast included with my room? Part 4. Common problems and polite complaints. If something is wrong, stay calm and be polite. Use these phrases. I'm sorry, there's a problem with my room. The air conditioning isn't working. There is a leak in the bathroom. My room is noisy. This is not what I booked. Can you please help me? Now listen to a practical conversation. A guest reports a problem. Excuse me, I'm in room 512. The air conditioning is not working. It's very hot.
I'm sorry for the inconvenience. I'll send maintenance to your room right away. Would you like a fan in the meantime?
Yes, please. That would be great. Thank you.
I've arranged a fan and maintenance will be there in 10 minutes. Is there anything else I can do?
No, that's fine. Thank you for your help. Now repeat line by line after me. Excuse me, I'm in room 512. The air conditioning is not working. It's very hot. Yes, please. That would be great. Thank you. No, that's fine. Thank you for your help. Note these polite patterns. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Would you like These make the situation calm and professional. Part 5. Requesting services. Other common requests. More towels, extra pillows, late checkout, room service. Phrases to use. Could I have some extra towels, please? Can I get an extra pillow? Is it possible to have a late checkout? Could I order room service? Do you have a laundry service? Short role play. Ordering room service. Hello, I'd like to order room service to room 512.
Certainly. What would you like to order?
I'll have the club sandwich and a small salad, please.
Thank you. Your order will arrive in 30 minutes.
Now repeat after me. Hello, I'd like to order room service to room 512. I'll have the club sandwich and a small salad, please. Part 6. Checkout and paying. When you leave, you need to check out. Useful phrases. I'd like to check out, please. Can I pay by card? Could I leave my luggage here for a few hours? Could you call me a taxi to the airport? Dialogue. Hello. I'd like to check out, please.
Of course. Did you use any hotel services, minibar, laundry?
No, I did not.
All right, here is your bill. Will you pay by card or cash?
Card, please. Repeat the key phrases after me. Hello. I'd like to check out, please. No, I did not. Card, please. Part 7. Quick practice drill. Now, a short practice drill. I'll say a situation. Answer in 1 or 2 sentences aloud. You arrive early. Ask about your room. Hi, I arrived early. Is it possible to check in now? Your room is noisy at night. Ask for help. Excuse me, my room is noisy. Can I move to another room? You want a late checkout. Ask politely. Could I have a late checkout until 2 p.m., please? You need a taxi at 6 a.m. Request it. Could you arrange a taxi for 6 a.m. to the airport? Great! Practicing these short lines will help you feel confident at the hotel. Part 8. Cultural Tips and Politeness. 2 quick cultural tips before we finish. Be polite and clear. If you're polite, hotel staff will usually go out of their way to help. Use please and thank you. Have your ID and card ready at check-in. This speeds up the process and makes everything easier. Part 9. Quiz. When you arrive at the hotel, what should you say first? I'd like a menu, please. I have a reservation. Can I get the Wi-Fi password? Correct answer, B. I have a reservation. You start by telling the receptionist that you already booked a room. If you don't understand something the receptionist says, what can you say? Can you repeat that, please? Never mind. I'll figure it out later. Correct answer, A. Can you repeat that, please? It's polite and helps you get the information you need. Which phrase means you want help with your luggage? Can someone help me with my bags? I'd like to order some food. What time is breakfast? Correct answer, A. Can someone help me with my bags? This is what you say when you need a porter or bellhop. If there's a problem in your room, what do you say at reception? I want to check out now. Where is the swimming pool? The TV doesn't work. Can you please send someone to fix it? Correct answer, C. The TV doesn't work. Can you please send someone to fix it? Always describe the problem clearly and politely. What's a polite way to ask about breakfast time? Breakfast? When's breakfast? Could you please tell me what time breakfast is? Correct answer, C. Could you please tell me what time breakfast is? It sounds natural, polite, and is perfect English for hotels. Well done! You learned key phrases for checking in, asking questions, solving problems, and checking out. Practice by repeating the dialogues and using the short drills. If you want, we can make a printable transcript and phrase sheet for this lesson. Say the word transcript in the comments. Subscribe for more travel English and practical lessons. Safe travels, and see you next time. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our new videos. And check out our PDF materials. Links in the description. Thanks for watching.